Miss Rojas, can you see from over there?
Yes.
You know, you gotta talk a little, because these people here, you know. Okay, keep them together, and, okay, I'm gonna open it, make life easy for me, and until I reach halfway. I'm gonna go this way, meaning the cut edges and the tape are even, okay? Here we are. Don't go too close to the zipper. You want to leave a little sliding. My needle is down, I lift up my presser foot, and I'm going to close. All right? And then continue. I'm going to continue all the way down as far as I can go down the center front. Here it is. This is step one. Next, my fly. Putting my fly in here, and I'm going to put it right on top. Keep my edges even. Now I'm going to go right on that stitch here. Okay.
I feel like that's when it's so bulky so quickly.
It is bulky because I used corduroy. Shouldn't be this bulky. So does everybody see that now I'm sandwiching the zipper? I'm going to leave my needle down, I'm lifting my presser foot, and I'm going to close my zipper. If you have issues, just lift it up from the needle a little bit.
Is it a quarter?
It's a little bit more than that. It's about 3/8. You know, the seam you told me? Yeah, it's about 3/8. So just try and go on that previous stitch. Okay, so here we go. And continue, and I'm going to go as far down as I can. And I'm going to be opening up my seam just a little bit. Alright, now when I get down here, I'm just going to tack it because here it is. That's the end of it. And this is...
Okay.
I'm not going to top stitch it or nothing. I'm going to leave it just like that. Okay? Now sometimes we edge stitch it. I'm not going to go there. So if you get this far, you're going to be good. Okay? Alright. Next thing. I finished that side. I'm cool with that. I got to finish the other one. This is called facing, fly facing. This is fly facing. Fly facing is just a simple piece. One piece. You're supposed to overlock this edge, okay? In any case, we're going to put the two front pieces together, center front edges together on the raw, and I'm going to take my 1/2 inch, okay? I'm going to stitch my 1/2 inch, just like this. And I'm going to go from the seam, and you'll see my notch here. I'm going to start at the notch, okay? And I'm going to come all the way up, okay? Now, what I need to do here is I need to change my lovely foot. So I'm not going to change. I'm be lazy, just like you guys. Right. Start right here. I'm going to put my pin right where I'm going to start, which is right there. Here, right at my notch.
When you did the zipper tape, did you do 1/2 inch seam allowance?
No, no. I'm gonna I stitch like in the middle of the tape. Okay? Right. So now I'm gonna start right there and I'm gonna come up.
You're gonna start at your notch.
I'm gonna start right there, right at my notch. Right? So just take it, and bring your needle down right there. There we go. And I'm going to do it by hand a few times. Alright, and back up again. Okay. This is, remember, a 1/2 inch. This is my fly facing. Fly facing is now on. So now we're going to take it and bring it to the inside. It's a facing, right? So since it's a facing, I have to bring it to the inside. So I bring it to the inside and I'm going to press it and make sure it's nice and flat. So normally when I do this, I normally press open first and then I do this. And when I do it, it gives me a nice edge. So now this is done, all done, and now what I need to do, finish the outside. Okay? Now watch what happens here. We are going to take this edge and we're gonna pin the right and the left together. And when I do this, because I only took 3/8, I still have a little bit of seam allowance left. So you remember I did 3/8 on here. I didn't do a 1/2 inch. So I have a little bit going under. When I look at this tape, I should never see somebody smiling like this. I don't want to see any teeth. So the idea behind this is that everything, there's no bunching on the inside. You see there's no bunching in there, okay? No bunching at all. Everything is nice and flat. And I'm going to take my fronts and I'm going to pin them together. So when you pin them, I want them pinned closed, closed. Just overlap it just a teeny little bit. And I don't want to see my teeth, okay? Go all the way to the top and pin it. I do not want to see your zipper. If I see your zipper, that means you did it incorrectly. And I'm going to put a grade on this, so you know, make sure you give me a good sample. Very important. This is good. This is good for menswear or women's wear. Okay. Same procedure. Okay, so here we are, and I just pinned the entire front. Close. This is where everybody makes a mistake, so listen very carefully. If you come in here and make a stitch, you cannot go to the bathroom. So what do I have to do? I have to, now that I pinned it together, I'm going to flip my pants over and I'm going to take the tape and the facing. Tape and facing come together and I'm going to stitch the tape to the facing. This is what I'm going to stitch. The tape is stitched to the facing, okay? But make sure your fly is out of the way. So just pin the fly out of the way. You don't want that fly piece being stitched down because if you do, nobody's going to be able to go to the bathroom. So I don't even think you'll be able to get in the pants anyway. So this time, after you pin your center front, you're going to stitch the zipper tape to the facing.